350-degree oven for 3 to 4 hours. Okay, guys, where's the stuffed turkey?
You are a stuffed turkey.
No, wait, I was doing this to get my union card.
Eat the going in there, a turkey, but you're coming out. Delicious turkey.
That's one of the new cats. Her name's Lou.
Hi, I'm Papa Smurf. And when I put my mind to something, I do it right. Whether it's keeping our village's location safe from gardening, or going into business for myself. Which is why I created Papa Smurf's Pizza. With the Smurfest ingredients, the freshest Smurfarella, and the bluest meatballs. My pizzas aren't just the best in the village, but in the human world as well. And with pizza price only $4.99, people can't figure out how I stay in business.
What the? You're so tiny. I'll need about 1,000 of these pizzas just to satisfy my hunger.
Then I guess that'll be $4,999. Tip not included.
Oh.
Hey, how else do you think I got the name Papa Smurf? You think any of the Smurfs are my kids? Nah, it's a sign of respect for running a savvy business. Gargamel! I couldn't find that blasted village, so I just called the delivery number. Thanks, Papa Smurf.
Papa Smurf's Pizza. What goes around comes around. Totally not scary.
Since the dawn of time, they have guarded the emotional.
They're like slow hiccups today. It's weird.
A great fear has surfaced, and for the first time, a human has been chosen to join their ranks.
What is your name?
Hal Jordan.
Hal Jordan. You must become the Green Care Bear.
You have got to be kidding me.
We watch over all of existence from our world of Caravot.
Whatever. Do I have to wear this itchy thing?
You have to do more than that if you're going to be a Care Bear.
They call me Grumpy Bear because I hate training new recruits.
You look so soft, but punch so hard. Funshine Bear lost his faith, and, well, basically, he's not fun anymore.
Look, the Care Bear is down to 0.
So's my interest meter.
What was that?
Nothing. Something in my eye.
This summer,
The one thing a Care Bear needs to do is care. That's not me.
you will
You have the power to overcome not caring.
care.
Say it, Hal. Say it.
With itchy fur and curly hair, I make good friends most everywhere. I hug and smile, I skip and share. Feel the love my Care Bear share. Can I take this thing off now?
Pretty sure I'm done now, but I'm not sure. Wow. Oh, it's almost 12 seconds. 30 now. I mean, minutes, whatever. I think it's just my longest video for a hiccup video, besides that first one. Yeah. Just watching TV because I'm tired and I don't want to do anything. But after this video, I seriously have to like clean up. I really do. Me and my boyfriend are going swimming tomorrow. Meet his aunt and everything. Wonder if he's texted me back. Oh wait, I don't have any power. I should probably charge it up.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Turn off the TV. Gotta plug in my thing upstairs. Ooh. Gotta be quiet because my mom's asleep. Okay. So let's not, you know, get distracted by my room. So look, these two, he's gotten me like so many more, but these are the two that I have on my bed. My boyfriend gave me this. And he also gave me this. Gives you a kiss. This one's nice. It says, I love you. I love you. Yup. We've been going out for 7 months, 1 week, and 1 day now. No, 7 months and 1 week today. Yeah, there we go. And believe me, he's the one who keeps track of that, not me. I don't know what that was, but it was me. It was me. Oh. Yes, I spray my room so it smells like my spray. It smells good. I don't think I have any more hiccups now. Because if I think about something funny, I'm sure I won't hiccup. Think of something funny. Nope, nothing. So, okay guys. So, I am done with my hiccups. So, peace. Subscribe, like, comment, and watch Mia's choreography channel. You'll like it, I'm sure. Bye.